spike on rogue.
They have soul sight, okay? They have soul sight.
Start marking. Patidar red leader.
Oh, he
Just
changed.
mark.
पाटीदार लीडर बन गया
Swift player.
पाटीदार हलाल और आशीष को माफ कर दे
यार मेरे को वो खेलना होता है यार, मतलब मेरे को माँ खेलना होता है। But
टमाटर रोल चेंज कर
ये उसी
लमी मेरे को मार कर यार, बकचोदी के बिल्कुल मूड में नहीं हूँ मैं।
Put check.
टमाटर
कमिट
I think उसने बग किया ही नहीं।
कमिट
एकदम ने सीरियसली।
इतना चूतिया थोड़ी है वो। पाटीदार डिस्काउंट, पाटीदार व्हाट द फक भाई, you were supposed to be healer पाटीदार। Okay, we will instant engage, okay? Look on me.
Astral looking.
5. Okay, instant look on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, it's fine. Walk in. Wait. Come notice. I need night helmet on choke. Come notice. Night helmets. Hello, night helmets. Now come back. They have engaged. Come back. Spread
I
here.
have cooldown.
Spread here.
No.
Spread here. Okay. Spread here. Chill.
Ready?
Okay. Chill. Just chill. Look, chill on the ground. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Pass engage. It's fine.
Not bad.
Spread it again. Take space south. Take space south. Don't clump. Chill. Let me know when you're ready. Cooldown is ready, okay? Let me know when your cooldown is ready. Okay.
Engage.
Look in the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Please on the ground, massive. Okay. Walk back. Come southeast. Chill. Spread here.
ये मेरी ऑन वाली
Spread here, okay? Spread here. तू क्यों इतना ओवर एक्सटेंड कर रहा है?
और एक्सटेंड
Spread. Defensive. Now look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Hello. Everyone is late. Now come back.
I should have said no. Cooldown was there.
एंगेज नहीं था टमाटर
अरे बेड रॉक को फेल हो ना तो अटैक कर लो।
Jacket मारो कोई.
Chill. Spread here. Chill.
They will look on me. They will look on me.
Okay. Let me know when your cooldown is ready, okay? Just chill. Defensive. It's fine.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, okay? Just brawl a bit. Brawl them a bit.
I will hold them.
Brawl them a bit. Ready, cooldown?
Yeah.
Okay, looking southwest, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Not bad. Now finish them if you can. They have cooldown, okay? Come down the choke. I need night helmets, please. I need fucking night
I will
helmets.
give setup if you need setup. I can give setup.
Wait, I don't have cooldown. We don't have cooldown. 5 seconds, okay? Now look on the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Just on the choke.
अरे GA का.
One dead.
Okay,
Nice.
all good.
2 dead.
Brawl.
Come down the choke and spread. Come down the choke and spread. Spread here. Just spread here. Don't follow them. Come back. Atom, come back. Venom, come back. Come back. Spread here. Just spread here.
Ready?
Just spread here. They have engaged, okay? Just spread here. Chill.
Control it.
Just spread here. Venom, come back. Venom, we are overextending. Come back, Venom. Come back. Just chill.
Venom चूती है.
Your cooldown is ready, right? Your cooldown is ready, right? Look on the choke.
Help, I give setup.
Wait. Okay, on the choke. Okay, fucking hell, I got GA.
On this guy.
Wait, chill.
Bro, I need help.
Just chill. Come back.
Okay, I'm good.
Come back. On the choke, okay? On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Massive. Okay. I said go. Push them now. Push them. No fear. Push them. I need fucking night helmets. Hello.
स्लो कर दिया
They have engaged.
I can stop.
Spread down the choke, okay? Spread down the choke. Let me know when you're ready. Cooldown is ready.
Ready.
Look on the ground. 5. Look on the ground. Find the ground. Come west. Find the ground. 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, fucking hell. It's fine. Come back mid. Let them reset. Come back mid. Let them reset.
Nice. Not bad. D-Tanks please थोड़ा जो heavy में खेल रहा है पीछे आओ मेरे साथ जब hold कर.
Venom, you're overextended, okay? Venom, Venom, you're overextended. You're overextended, Venom. You are overextending, okay? And Pada, you were supposed to be a fucking healer, not a heavy mace. But it's fine.
I'm not getting jackets.
टेंशन मत ले, फिनिड है।
बहुत फ्रंट में जैकेट मत मारो।
ले उसने ले ली
वाटर ब्रो मैं अपना नाइट हेलमेट एंगेज पे यूज कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि 2 बार मेरे को पीछे फेंक दिया था पहले।
वो आ गया
Okay, they want to play choke. Come, follow me. Find a ground. Come northeast.
अरे मैं सेटअप दूंगा ना, रेडी ले, मैं सेटअप दूंगा.
Wait. I'll fake. Okay, chill. They have cooldown. Okay, I'll fake. Oh, what the fuck, I misclicked.
अरे उनसे पूछ तो ले रेडी है क्या
Yeah, they are ready. Look on the. Okay, I'll fake. Okay,
उसने
fake
कहा
in
कुछ नहीं
5,
है.
4, 3, 2, 1. Just fake. Chill. We fake the demon. Now look on the ground. Shallow. Look on the ground. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, now push them a bit. They have cooldown. Okay, just spread on this choke. Take the space. Don't go fucking back. Hello, did I ask you to go up the choke? Defense if you have. Hello, did I ask you to go fucking
Oh
back?
my fucking god. Oh my god.
मैं वन
Come back, Ajay GG. Come back, Ajay GG. Did I ask you to go back? Hello. Did I ask you to go back?
मल्टी स्ट्रीम
That's why I gave you fucking jackets and clericals, okay? Hello.
अरे वो गुस्सा है भाई, ये लोग गुस्सा है. बैक हो जाओ, ये लोग गुस्सा है.
एंगेज रेडी।
Chill. What the fuck?
रिटर्न।
ऐसा है, तुम इसको मारो ना, ये लोग गुस्सा है भाई, ये लोग गुस्सा है, तुम गुस्से मारो ना.
Did they say GG? They didn't say GG, right? They didn't know.
Yeah, did.
This is just
फुल रीसेट ले लेना, माउंट अप पर आगे
Okay.
पीछे चल.
come back. It's fine. Come back. Spread here, okay? Take this space northeast. Take space northeast. I will again wait. I will just do a quick engage, okay? On the ground and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, nice set. Now come back. It's fine. They have engaged, okay? Spread here. Take the space south. You are so clump. Take the space north. Hello. Take the space north. Let me know when your cooldowns are ready, okay? Come southwest. Step southwest. Let me know cool. Okay, look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2 on the ground. On the choke. Hello. No, you can't, bro. So slowly. Come down the choke now. They have engaged. Okay, just come up the choke. Just spread up the choke. Okay, just spread up.
Go through the choke. आया.
Just spread up the choke. Okay. Okay. Defense if you have.
Okay.
Are your cooldowns ready?
Yeah.
Okay. No, look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's all party. No, bro. Sprinted was late. Come down the choke. They don't have engage. No fear. Come down the choke and spread. Come down the choke and spread. Go through the choke and spread.
Come down the choke and spread.
Come down the choke and spread. Defense. Okay, nice. Let me know cooldowns is ready, okay?
2 seconds.
रेडी।
Okay, look on the ground. 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, it's fine.
The G8.
It's fine. Spread it, okay? They've engaged.
Brawl
Chill.
करो ना, brawl
Don't
करो.
go fucking up the choke. Don't go up the choke. Just spread here. Defense if you have. Wait. They'll go engage on the golem E, okay? On the golem E, on the form E. Just spread. Defense if you have. Defense. Now look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Okay. Push them. No fear. Push them. They will engage. Wait. Roll them. They will have engaged in next 5 seconds, okay? Come up the choke and spread. Spread here. They are looking, okay? Spread here.
Brawl करो.
Defense.
Cooldown.
Your cooldowns are ready, okay? I'll fake, okay? I'll fake. Fake, okay? Fake on me in 5. Wait, fake on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's fake. Chill.
Yeah, they were
After the demons, okay? After the demons. Look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. It's all holds up. Kill them. Nice fight. Spread here now. Spread here. They're engaged, okay? But they should GG at this moment. I don't know why they are not GGing. Chill. If they are not, we just push them, okay? Push them. Defensive here. And let me know cooldowns, okay? Let me know cooldowns.
रेडी एंगेज रेडी।
Okay, look on the choke in
I
5.
hold
Look on the
them,
choke.
I
Look on the
hold
choke in
them, I hold
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke, please. On the choke. On the choke. On the choke. Wipe them. Wipe them. Nice.
Nice.
It's fine. Come back.
Great.
Come back. Come back. Come back southeast. 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 Let them come back. Let them come back. Let them come back. Let them come back. Come back southeast. Come back
वो
southeast.
सीट
And just
देख,
chill.
सीट को देख, सीट को देख,
Just chill.
सीट को
Just
देख।
chill. Just chill.
ये मरा, ये मरेगा, ये मरेगा अकेला।
कहाँ पे सेड?
Help it.
आजा सेड,
Help it. Help it. Help it.
आजा सेड, आजा।
Come up the choke. Come up the choke. We'll let them.
अरे मैं लेलिया को मार रहा था, 50 स्पीड भाग रहा था।
ले छोड़ना
साले
उसको।
बस ये
भाई 50 स्पीड भाग गया, कंट्री कर देगा।
भाई लिलिया से क्या दुश्मनी है तेरी? Come back.
जाएगा उसको।
Go behind the ground. 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 Go behind the ground.
हलाल
Go
को
behind the
साइड
ground.
मत कर।
आशीष को मार कर दे यार।
Picking it.
Chill. I will do a quick engage. Okay, on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. On the choke. Okay, come back.
नाइस।
Push them. It's fine. Push them. Go inside of them. Go inside of them. Chill. I don't need setup. I don't have cooldown. Spread air. Okay, they have cooldown now. They have cooldown. Did they engage?
I don't have any defensive. Heavy mass have to
Okay.
stop.
Look on the ground. In 5. Look on the ground. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Wait, on the ground, please. On the ground. Nice it. Execute daily if you can. Come push them again. Defensive here. Chill. That was fake. This will have cooldown. Okay, this will have cooldown. They will engage on the W. They will engage on the tentacle. Spread air. Look on the ground again. In 5, 4. Okay. Wait. Okay, I'll wait.
Helmets, where are the helmets?
Look on the ground. Look southwest deep. Okay, southwest deep. Southwest on the choke. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Please on the ground. Okay, nice it. You can exit the demon. I mean defense if you want. Defense. Come back. It's fine. Just go back and spread. Spready. Wait. No. Push. My bad. Push northwest. Let me know cooldowns. Okay. I need your cooldowns.
Ready.
Okay, look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Okay,
Brawl.
roll them if you can.
I had cooldown.
Okay, execute them if you want. Let me know your cooldowns again, okay? Let me know your cooldowns.
ये हलाल
I will get set up.
मार।
Cooldowns on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground, anything you have. Okay, it's fine. You don't have cooldown, right? Okay, all good. Just build them up.
Armor का cooldown है तो
Roll them
भी
a
आएगा।
bit. Roll them a bit. Okay, that was real. It's fine.
Defend it. It's fine.
It's fine. Cooldowns ready?
Long.
I'll do a fake, okay? I will do a fake. Chill. Fake on me in 5,
Ready.
3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a fake. Chill.
I'll give set up.
Ready.
Okay. Wait. I got G. Look on the choke. Okay, look on the choke in 5. Okay, I got fucking. I need night canvas, please. Come down the choke. Come down the choke. Hello. Come down the choke. On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Nice it.
Big.
Now execute them if you want. Kill them. Okay, GG. Come back.
हलाल।
Come back, mate.
ये Del's Gate, come back.
I'm not doing my passives right.
Don't pop to RJ shot one time.
I should have what different.
ब्रो
tactics.
दूसरा नाइट हेलमेट कौन है भाई?
Everyone come back.
ये जुड़े हुए भाइयों को देखो, एक दूसरे को मारामारी कर रहे हैं।
अरे पीछे आ जाना।
हेलो क्या चल रहा है वहाँ पे?
सीडर ले लिया देख।
अरे यहाँ मार के तू क्या करेगा ब्रो?
सीडर ले
असली
लिया।
फाइट में करिए काम। थप्पड़ वाड़ा है ले लिया को।
कॉलर टेप बोल दिया भाई उसने।
सुन ना पार्टीदार साले तू उसके बंदे को पहले मार कर दिया। कौन है वो आशीष उसको मार हलाल।
अरे टमाटर एक काम कर, एग्रेसिव एंगेज ट्राई कर। मैं मतलब क्लम्प देखूंगा तो मैं तेरे को सेटअप दूंगा। एग्रेसिव करना, ठीक है? बूट्स मार के इंस्टेंटली खत्म।
Okay, wait for R. Okay, we wait for R first.
डिफेंसिव का वेट ही मत कर।
We wait for R there. Okay, I will. Okay. Look shallow on the. Okay, over the wall. Okay, over the wall. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the over the wall, please. Over the wall. Okay.
Fuck them up, fuck them up.
Work them. Come down this way. 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 I need night helmets. Hello. Nice. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Do you need
okay.
setup?
You have cooldown now, okay? Chill. I don't need setup. I don't have cooldown this one. I don't have cooldown.
सोलो क्लम्प लेने को देखेंगे
They are looking, okay? Spread here. Let me know cooldown, okay? Let me know cooldown. Look on the ground. Find the ground. On the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, on the ground. Please, on the ground. Okay.
I did defense in there.
Okay, it's fine. They already fucking... Okay, chill.
टीममेट ने हमने कैसे मार दिया? मतलब ब्रॉल कर रहा था क्या?
Come. It's fine. They're trying to kite.
Do you need stoppage? Tell me. If you need stoppage, tell me.
No. Cooldown ready?
Ready.
Okay, wait. I don't need setup. Chill. I will look on the choke, okay? Look on the choke. Okay, they already engaged. Look on the choke. In 5. Look on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke, please. On the choke. Oh, they already demon. Nice image. Come back. That was a very... I mean, I will say the best one on the whole game. Come back. They will engage on the choke, okay? Come back. They will engage on the choke. Don't stack on the choke. Don't stand on the choke. They already engaged. Now come up the choke. I need night elements. Look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Please. On the ground. Thank you. Nice it.
Oh my god, cancel.
Nice it. Why are they not GGing? Hello, they're GGing. Come back. They're GG.
Wait, there was no Parma on
Mount
this
even
last
come.
engage?
Come it.
I did not see Parma.
I think it got interrupted or something right now. Come from east. Find the ground. Come from east. It's Mount Evan. Go.
Damn.
Hello, come from
Guys,
east.
हमारा-
Hello, come from east.
हमारा
हाँ.
हमारा पियर्स पे खेल रहा है भाई गीगा चैट.
Come back, mate. Come here. I didn't do a food check by the way. Did you guys?
हाँ
Yeah.
हमारा अभी खा रहा है फुल सेट फुल क्रेजी
Okay, they're saying wait. Don't hit them.
यहाँ पे बेडरॉक है नहीं है ना
नहीं है.
ना
चीनी चाहिए मेरे को बेडरॉक.
मुझे लगा ही था यहाँ पे बेडरॉक
अरे फील मत कर भाई.
अरे मत करना ही कौन है?
अरे वो ट्रोल कर रहे हैं, नहीं करेंगे वो कंप्लीट.
अच्छा
Oh, they are. Look southwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Nice it. It's fine. Push them. They have engaged, okay? They have engaged. Chill. They have engaged. Defenses. Now come down the stairs. Down the choke. Come down the choke. Roll them a bit. I want to know your cooldowns.
Ready.
2 seconds, okay. Look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Okay, I got silence. It's fine. You still have cooldown, okay? Right?
Still have.
Okay. Look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. They already demon. But it's fine. They've engaged now. Come back southwest. Venom, come back southwest. Defense. Again push them. Come southeast. Cooldown steady, okay? Okay, on the ground. Find the ground. Come up the stairs first. Come up the stairs and spread it. Come up the stairs and spread. Come up the stairs and spread. Hello. I can't see you. Look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, not a good hit, but come back and spread. Defense. Okay, again, come southwest. I'll engage this on choke, okay? I'll engage on this choke. In 5, okay, I got fucking bedrock. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please, on the ground. Okay, can you execute? No, their demons are pretty late. You had cooldown, right? Multi.
Yeah, I had cooldown. Now I don't have anything.
Okay, chill. They have cooldown, okay? Come down the choke and spread. Spread here. They will engage on you. They have engaged. Defense. Cooldown steady?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, look on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. Anything? Okay, you guys are too long. It's fine. Come southeast. Come up the choke and spread here. Come up the choke and spread. 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 They've engaged. Okay, come up the choke and spread. Come up the choke. They are looking. Okay, they already engaged. Look on the ground and now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Please on the ground. 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 Almost. It's fine. Now come down the stairs. Come down the choke. Come down the choke. Come down the choke and spread. 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 Let me know cooldown. Let me know cooldown. Let me know cooldown. Let me know cooldown. Okay. Chill. I want a setup. Okay, look on the ground. Okay, wait, come back. After this. Chill. Now look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Please on the ground. It's whole zerg. Wipe them. Execute. I'm just missing one fucking DPS. Okay, okay, the GG. Come back. It's fine. Come up the thing. Don't hit now. Don't hit now.
भाई मुझे चेंज करना है, कैन आई चेंज?
2.
दूसरा नाइट हेलमेट कौन है भाई?
अरे मैं क्यूबस खेल लूं क्या?
ना प्ले में
नाइट हेलमेट
है तो हम पे पार्टीदार बॉस।
चल ठीक है पार्टीदार यू प्ले में इनक्यूबस क्यू बट खेल ले रहा जस्ट 4 मिनट्स एनीवेज
ग्रुप
मेरे लिए सेटअप करूंगा एक दो मेरे को एंगेज करवा सकता है मेरे को।
अच्छा ये नहीं कर रहा क्या सेटअप मदर चोद?
2-3 सेटअप तो मैंने ही किया टमाटर के लिए।
मैं चूतिया हूँ जो उनको बैंक के टमाटर की इंगेज लेने से पहले ये स्टन कर रहा है।
वही तो तू डिफेंस कर रहा है मैं सेटअप कर रहा हूं।
Yo, don't troll. Hello, Partydar, come back.
भाई,
Partydar, come back. Stop trolling. Partydar, come back and stop trolling.
भैया रेड
Come back and stop trolling.
Just like
Wait, let me know if they are R. I want their R first. Okay, they are. Look southwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. That was headbutt. Chill. Okay, fine. If DPS if here. They engage right, come down the set and start rolling. Come down the set and start rolling. Come down the set. I need guardians on choke. Chill. We don't let them kite. Don't let them kite. I'm already in their back line. I'm already in the back line. Chill. I need cleanse, okay? I need cleanse. Cool down city. Okay, look on the ground. Wait. Come up the safe first. Come up the safe. I'll fake. They're engaging. Chill. Defensive. Okay, chill. I'll fake first. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a fake. Now look on the ground. Look after the demons. Look on the ground. 5, 4. Okay, wait. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. Okay, I missed. Fucking hell, bro. That was a nice fucking fake. And they were so clumped up. This would be I'm fucking right. Chill. You don't have cooldown, right? You already used. Defense.
Okay,
Right, only 5 seconds. Look on the southwest choke. Okay, southwest choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. That's a full fucking zerg. Hello. No DPS, bro. Come back.
नहीं तेरा डीपीएस वो हो गया।
Come back. Hello. You're not following your crown, bro. You're just watching the enemies. You're not following your crown. Let me know your cooldown is ready, okay?
5 seconds.
Okay. Look on the ground now. Wait, defenses. After this, look on the ground. Southwest, look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, I got fucking stun or what? I don't know.
they are standing on you, I think.
Hold on.
They are just cancelling you.
It's fine. Come back, mate. I want to take a breath. Come back, mate. Okay. Come back, mate. Chill here. Spread here. Defense. Now look on the ground. Chill on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, chill. Execute halal if you can. Just 1 minute. I just want to chill now.
कौन तो कैप किया?
हाँ कैप करा इसकी वजह से तुम इतना उछल गया एक सिंगल कैप था ना
रेडी हो लगा
ready okay but I don't have cooldown I'm just sitting at this moment just do random fuck them up just do random pamma random spike fuck them up fuck the demons let's see what the demon will do random pamma okay random pamma whenever you see okay and let me know when the pamma is ready okay? let me know when the pamma is ready okay let me know when the pamma is ready I will do one last engage. I will do one last engage on southeast. Okay, I will do one last engage on southeast. Okay. I'll wait 10 seconds. Look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Okay, no hit. It's fine. All good. 30 seconds. Keep on rolling. Do anything you want.
Jaren gonna engage.
Let's see what our defense save us. Can we save ourselves? Defense if we have.
Ready?
Look on the ground. The choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, on the choke, please. On the choke. Okay, what the fuck? I lagged, right? Yeah, I lagged. I don't know. Did you kill someone?
Yeah, me too. मैं भी lag हुआ.
No man is there. He's back.
Yeah. That was.
भाई पता नहीं ब्रो, अरीना के आने के बाद सब lag हो रहा है.
Okay, GG's guys. GG's.
मैं
GG.
पीछे क्या बोल रहा था मुझे पक्का ब्रो.
अरे देख, अगर हमारा एंगेज पकअप होता है ना, रोबो प्योरिटी मार के उनको पूरा स्प्रेड करा दो, जो करना है करो, ठीक है, उनको फेंक दो इधर.
Come west.
आने तो दो.
Come west. We're playing mid. We're playing mid. Okay, they are.
ready है वो.
I'll fake. Okay, I'll fake. Fake in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a fake. They'll pop demon. Their demon pop now.
Ready.
Look for this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's all fucking stuff. Kill them. Nice hit. Nice hit.
Oh
Nice hit.
Oh my.
They'll GG. The GG. Come back.
भाई तूने सेटअप दिया, मैंने आईडी नोट कर दिया. सारे मर गए एलियन.
स्पिरिट हंटर सही जा रहा है ना.
मैं एक्चुअली देख नहीं रहा अभी.
मैं एक चीज लिखना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे. वाटर
भाई मुझे तो सेटअप ही खेलना चाहिए भाई.
वेस्ट साइड जाओ, वो लोग को पहले बाहर आने दो.
Let them come.
They clap kite. I mean, they are not going in base, so it's fine. They are not playing dirty. They are just going that side.
हमारे डीपीएस
हाँ
उनको थोड़ा स्पेस दो.
टाइम सर.
पेट्रोल की उतनी नीड नहीं करते भाई.
ठीक है ना तेरा.
Okay, they are.
लेफ्ट राइट में अच्छा है.
Okay, east. Okay, fast engage east. Deep east. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Okay, it's fine. They have engage. Okay, spread. Don't work this shot. Watch out this shot. Okay, watch out this shot.
They engage already.
What the fuck?
They fuck off.
They engage already. अभी पकड़ो ये खेलो.
Let me know. Ready.
Rolling करो और क्या.
3 seconds. Okay, they engage. Okay, look on the ground now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground. Please on the ground. Execute them. Kill them. Kill Ajgar.
अजगर को मारो मार दो. पकड़ के मारो.
Hello. C Magnum. Come back. Hello. Come back and save lives. Come back mid.
वो लोग का DPS बहुत गंदा है. वो एक साथ स्टैक करके कर रहे हैं. एलियन हुड खड़े बाबू.
एनीबॉडी आरजे.
Killing signal.
अरे ये तो सोलो बॉम्ब है.
उनका सपोर्ट भी नहीं आ रहा ना. सपोर्ट भी अच्छा नहीं कर रहा उनका. ये देख.
नहीं वो लोग सब स्टैक होके मार रहा है DPS.
Partidar. Don't disrupt anyone. Hello. Partidar. Hello.
अरे उनको आने दो भाई. उनको आने तो दो भाई.
क्या किए मेरे को.
वो लोग demon practice कर रहे हैं. I think they are practicing demon.
Yeah.
मैं चेंज कर रहा हूँ यार. ये तो बस अभी
Stoppage नहीं है. वो लोग demon कर रहे हैं. बस.
Yeah. Quick engage east. Walk east. In 5, 4. Okay, hold. I will wait after demons. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got no one, right? Just one. Kill Venom. He's no. Kill him. Don't club. Defense. Okay, that was a nice hit.
Oh my god.
Stabilize if you can. Or just GG. Stabilize or just GG.
वेनम ने पेट कर दिया.
Engage. Engage and GG.
भाई डिफेंसिव क्यों पॉप नहीं किया अटैक होने के टाइम में.
It's fine. We want GG. Cooldown steady, right? Oh wait, my DPS is not
I'm
there.
overconfident.
Come back west. We wait for a regis. Come back west. They're almost there. If they full push, I will engage.
After
If they
engage,
try to
do
push
not
us,
try
we'll
to
engage.
clump
If they
and
try to
draw.
push, I will engage, okay? Okay, my cooldown, my Arion is there, right? Look east East again in 5, 4, 3, 2, on the ground, please, on the ground. Okay, nice movement. Item right? Almost.
Nice.
Defense?
Venom there.
मिस
That was
रॉकर
nice
किया
move.
लेट है
Look, they
Your
are
cooldown?
engaging.
Cooldown steady, right? On the ground, 5,
रुक जा रुक जी कैसे जी
वेनम कैसे सोया है भाई?
Type Venom noob.
Everybody Venom do.
Venom noob.
आई थिंक
हमारा-
स्प्रेड खेलो ताकि वो क्लम्प ही ना कर पाए स्प्रेड होके थोड़ा खेलने का
नहीं,
टर्न
एक चीज मैंने देखा अभी कि हमारे बंदे काइट कॉम्ब में है, बस हम पे काइट कॉम्ब वाला टैंक नहीं है, ठीक है? बस इतना फर्क है हमारे कॉम्ब।
हमारे में नहीं, मैक राइट पे नहीं हो.
वही
हम तो कैच
काइट
रखे हमारे
Oh, they are. I'll fake East in 5, 4. Okay, after this. Chill. Okay, now look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Hello.
लो डीप
more damage, kill damage.
करते रहो
You can still kill them. If you have DPS, just jump it.
Full push.
You don't have cooldown, okay, then spread and push. Okay, that's a fake. That's gonna be fake. That's okay. Nah, that was real. My bad. I'm bad.
No.
GG. Just GG. 6 minutes. GG.
No GG. Come look back of the shield.
Okay, no GG. Okay, go. Play yourself.
Come. Ready. Engage in the air.
3, 2, 1, engage on here. Parma.
Come.
कांड मारो
Okay, go back now.
Engaging. Soak.
Go back. They got engaged. Go back, nice.
10 seconds.
Go east. Okay, go east.
5 seconds
Now come back. Let's come back.
they are low
Ready.
Okay, ready, engage. Engage. 1, 2, 3. Engage there. Nice.
क्या बकचोदी हो रहा है
क्या पता भाई.
छोटी नाक का बच्चोरी हो रही है.
जी
अब बकचोदी क्या है? मार रहे, kill this healer.
जीजी बोल रही है.
Don't GG. Hello. GG.
अरे वो देखो वो हगाड़ में घुस
बकचोदी।
गई back है।
Kill only Venom after GG. Don't kill anyone else.
वेनम भाग रहा है भाई
It
अपनी जान
deserve to die.
लेलिया नहीं है ना, मुझे लेलिया को मारना था, वो मैं उसको तब से ढूंढ रहा था, देखता हूँ है ही नहीं साला।
आरजीबी
मैं अपना डब्ल्यू चेंज कर रहा हूँ फॉर क्विक
Come back.
उनको जगह दो भाई उनको आने तो दो
अरे हाँ, पूरा उनको आने दे।
That's one thing. Okay. Perma engage this time. Let's see how our support react. I mean, so they support. I mean, they are ours only. Perma engage. Okay. Multi.
Are you gonna
Perma
fake
engage.
or like we are just?
I'll fake. I'll fake, and then you will perma engage. Okay. I'll fake East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a fake. They will demon.
Okay.
Yeah.
3,
They will
2,
demon.
1. Engage on Parma. Oh, we couldn't soak it.
भाई जुड़ी की तरफ चाहिए था वहाँ.
They headband us back.
He lost one, they lost
डीमन पे मारा तुम
lost two.
लोग डीमन पे मारा
But वो लोगों ने डिमन बाद में.
ब्लाइट कहाँ है हमारा? मर गया है क्या वो? अरे मैं
Come back. I don't want to go.
लाइट नहीं मारा
Come back.
भाई तू पीछे खेलना.
Ready engage.
Okay, cooldown steady, right? East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on. Okay, bro, मेरा blink क्यों नहीं हुआ? Okay, after you already used, right? It's fine.
Check it.
Kill Venom. Defense. They are going inside. Come back. They are going inside, bro. They are going inside. Come back. They are going inside. That's not a fair.
Engage ready.
Engage ready.
भाई
Okay.
Darwin.
Look east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Massive. Right them. Nice it.
oh my god this was
Come back now. They will GG. Come back. They will GG.
क्या कर रहे हो?
बेटा जी
They didn't.
Stopper, Helionode.
मार दिया.
रियल क्या खेल रहे हैं
खोलो गुस्सा दिला रहा है.
मैं तो ऑफेंसिव होली स्टाफ खेल रहा हूँ ब्रो. पीछे जाके डिसरप्ट कर रहा हूँ उनको ई मार के.
मैं तो वो
वो लोग के
हवा
एंगेज
वाला
Leave them
है,
spare, leave them spare.
हॉलो फॉल्स वो लोग के एंगेज मारा था।
ना उन लोग के हाँ पीछे जाके मार रहा हूँ मैं, पीछे जाके रोबो पेटी मार के तुम्हारे इंगेज के पुश कर रहा हूँ।
Stop moving west, okay? And just look east, okay? I will engage east and keep on moving west. Keep on moving west. Keep on moving west for now. Keep on moving west. Keep on moving west. Keep on moving west. Okay, keep on moving west. Come, just keep on moving west. Move west. Move west. Move west. Go front of me. Go front.
क्या ब्रो, 1 and 4 कब आया हमारे पार्टी में?
I won't. Okay, they are not following you. Okay.
अबे ये 12 था
Okay, instant engage DPs, okay? DPs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please, on the ground, hold up. Kill them, wipe them. Okay, nice.
ना कोई भी पीछे नहीं जा रहा है, सॉरी।
Oh, I
You're all
guess
coming back.
Bro, they are going inside, bhai. They are going fucking inside, bhai. नहीं यार, just come back, bro. They are going inside. Come back west.
3 सेकंड
They are just
3
going
सेकंड
inside.
वो लोग बैडन लेके आया।
Come back west. They are going inside, yaar. Stabilizer. Come back west. Don't wait. Let me type. Don't go inside.
Hey yo,
ओए 2 मिनट बचा है।
आजा
hey yo.
मारो साले को, मारियो
Again,
फैन को मार दो।
DP second, 5. Okay, wait. I'll wait. This is fake. This is just fake. कुछ ज्यादा ही किया मैंने। अरे अचानक से तुम बेडरॉक हो गए यार। On the ground, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. On the ground. Venom should die here. Okay, nice. Defense. Heals in the Judy. Hello.
कौन मारा?
अरे किसको इधरगा आगे नहीं।
Kill this.
engage 4 seconds.
Okay, northeast. Wait. Northeast. Let me know cooldowns, okay? Ready. DPs. Walk east for now. DPs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the ground, please. Okay, they night helmet. Nice helmet. Okay. They already engaged. You already engaged. They're just playing counter. It's fine. Just keep on rolling them. We should be good. Shivam should die here. Find the
Engage
ground.
मार दो।
I'm not. They are already clung, bro. They're so spread. I can't find the engage. Just walk. Not. I know you have engage.
अरे नहीं, पार्टीदार क्या कर रहा है, उसको बाहर क्यों फेंक रहा है?
Just walk not. Defense.
हमें बहुत पीछे पड़ रही है।
Wait. I know you have cooldown.
वेनम को मारो।
Okay.
Follow.
He's looking. Look on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2 on the ground, please. On the ground. Okay, nice.
ये मेरे पास कूलडाउन ही
They are
नहीं
engaged,
है।
okay?
पीछे
They will look. I need heals here. Heals in the Judy. Stop fucking clumping. Hello. Stop clumping and
भाई मैं
come.
ब्लाइट थोड़ी ना हूँ। जोड़ी ब्लाइट कहाँ है हमारा?
ऑर्डर रेडी हो।
Ready.
It's fine. It's just 18 seconds.
अरे खाना खा रहा हूँ।
Last engage.
खाना खा रहा है तू?
Last engage. You want to? Let's engage on bank. On bank in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On bank.
I did not परवान।
Yeah.
Bed on cancelled।
मल्टी मैंने कुछ सिर्फ बिगाड़ा है क्या रे?
किसका?
मेरा कुछ बिगाड़ा है मैंने। भाई पूरी जर्ग में पूरे मैच में ये बंदा मुझे टारगेट करके उड़ा रहा है।
मैं नहीं भाई, सब लोग wrong।
भाई मेरा 3 किल है, ठीक है, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा।
Then we number 1 death leader.
Bro, no heals. What the fuck should I do?
I saved you।
अरे तू तो